Hello, my name is Chong Ho Yin. So this project is about the overhead analysis of Alibaba Furniture Sendirian Berhad. Alibaba Sendirian Berhad was established in 2009 and has grown to become a part of Malaysia's vibrant furniture industry, especially in the Muar region, which is known as the country's furniture capital. This report is prepared with the purpose of analyzing and calculating the overhead costs incurred by Alibaba Furniture Sendirian Berhad due to system malfunction. So the problem statement is the system failure compromised several categories of crucial data and caused some of the data missing. To identify each loss, the bases such as value of asset and the floor area are the vital information in this project. So now, I have several methods to calculate the missing data. Firstly, I try to identify all the bases of each overhead. So as a result, I found that lighting, factory rental, cleaning, security, building maintenance, and utilities are under floor area. On the other hand, insurance of machine and depreciation of machine are under value of asset. After that, based on the formula to calculate OAR, which is total divided by basis. So here is the working steps. First of all, I let the floor area equals to x. So I can find the working solution of security, which is 9000 over x equals to 90. Then we try to move the 90 to the front, so become 90x equals to 9000, and then x equals to 9000 divided by 90, and final answer x equal to 100. As we know, x is the floor area, so we can go to the A, B, C, D question. So for A, we can put the unknown as A also, and then A over 100 equals to 800. So A equals to 800 times 100, then we get 80,000. So A is 80,000. Same goes to question B, C, D. So we get the answer of B is 8,000, C is 5,000, and D is 16,200. For the answer of E, we can just straight away divide. So we take the total of the overhead, which is 40,000, divided by 100 equals to 400. So the OAR of the lighting is 400. Straight away we can see the answer. Besides that, I also calculate the total of the insurance of machine and depreciation of machines. So as we can see, insurance of machine is 1.5A, which is we can sub the A with 80,000. So we get the formula 1.5 times 80,000 equals to 120,000. For the depreciation of machines, it is 1.5A divided by 2, which is the insurance of machines just divided by 2. So we get 60,000. After that, I let the value of asset equals to Y as well. So I can find the basis, the total amount of basis of the overhead. So I get the formula 120,000 divided by Y equals to 0.5. So 0.5Y equals to 120,000, and then Y equals to 120,000 divided by 0.5, which we get 240,000 for the amount of the basis. So we move to the question F. So basically, just straight away we just sum up the design, assembling, finishing, support department together. So which is 240 plus 400 plus 200 plus 160, which we get 1000. So F equals to 1000. And then G is the value of machine. That is same with the value of asset that we used before. So G is equal to 240,000. Then for H, we also use the floor area that we calculated before. So H equals to X also equals to 100. So for the X, which is the unknown at the floor area, the support department of the floor area, so we can use 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.4 minus 0.25, which we get 0.15. So now this is the final answer of the working steps. So A, we get 80,000, B, we get 8,000, C, 5,000, D, 16,200, E, 400, F, 1,000, 1,000, G, 240,000, H equals to 100, and X equals to 0.15. So basically, here is the overhead analysis sheet, which is the final answer. I sub into the graph, the table, and then I redo again the table. For this table, as before, we can see the question that got many decimal point times the unknown, which is for the value of machine or value of the asset, we get 0.25G, 0.55G, 0.2G. So we just take the 0.25 times with the G, which is 240,000, and then we can get the answer of all these things, which is 60,000, 132,000, 48,000 for each of the following. So same goes to floor area. 0.2H equals to 20, and then 40, 25, 15 of each of the following. So for the recommendation, based on the table, we can see the total of all apportionments are on the height side. So Alibaba SDN BHT might reduce the utilities used to decrease the cost and minimize the budget. Besides, the company also can reduce the security cover area, such as the area that actually no need to secure. So this can reduce the cost effectively. In summary, this report examines the overhead cost allocation issue faced by Alibaba Furniture Sdn Bhd following a major system malfunction. So the malfunction resulted in the loss and misclassification of the critical operational data. So that's all for me. Thank you.